Hi, tell me your name.
Omkar Darwadkar.
Okay, tell me today's concept.
So basically, this is a boardwalk to highlight the diversity that surround River Madhe. So it's a celebration of the diversity that the river supports, and it is part of the festival which is planned, which is called Madhe Yamchi Mai. So this boardwalk is just part of that festival.
Now, do you feel there are more birds or it is disappearing day by day?
It's not disappearing day by day. There are, of course, there are threats to the birds around. You can see a lot of destruction, a lot of habitat loss for these species. So I wouldn't say it's not day by day, but it's happening gradually.
No, now tree cutting is going on
Yes.
in
So
vast portion. Now, as we are here, right opposite, you can see there is no trees.
so yes, I mean it's basically the habitat is lost. So habitat loss is the major concern for not just birds, for all species, all the wildlife that we have here. So again, it doesn't happen within a day or so. It takes a little while, but it is a threat.
Okay, how many birds species are here in this park?
We've not really
No,
surveyed the
now
park.
you have come to across some few.
So we have not counted it. So it should be about 20 odd species right now.
Right.
Today.
Okay, so how is the response?
It's quite good. About almost 40 people who have come for the boardwalk.
Okay.
Good response from people.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So what is the difference between parrot and parrot?
Yeah.
The color of the bird is like the saffron. So they have a very interesting life cycle. So they spend most of their life underground as a this insect that is here. So that's a parrot. So the cicada spends most of its life underground as a larva, and the adult stage only lasts for a few days. So it becomes an adult, comes out in the trees, calls for its mate. They mate, lay eggs, and die. That's it. The adult stage is just a few days, and it lives under the ground for, depending on the species, it lives for 5 years, 7 years, 12 years as a larva. It's called a cicada. It's basically an insect. It's sort of a big size fly. So the sound is, it has a very hollow abdomen. So, and which is retractable. So it moves it so quickly that it makes the sound. I mean, we hear that generally grasshoppers and all make sounds with their wings. It doesn't make it with its wings. It's made from the abdomen. That's the adult sound. Yeah. So cicada sound is only in the adult. Yeah. So summers, there are certain species which will be active later as well. In the ground or in the tree? Now the adult is in the tree. The larva is in the ground, inside underground. That is what we used to learn. Like green color bird is a parrot.
Prakash. I live in Panjim, and this experience was very good because we came to know about the kind of birds which are here, and also the kind of diversity which we have to protect at any cost. So plus you met also the fellow Goans and other people out here.
So now you see most of the trees are cut, and do you feel the birds are safe?
No, not even the humans are safe, leave alone the birds. Because see, if it's a natural cycle, if something is affecting birds, it will ultimately affect us also. You see, all over this place, it's only construction and concretization. That is not the sole feature of development.
Yeah, as he said, in this park there are 20 more species. So have you come across?
I saw about 4 or 5 kind of birds. Now we have to see more. But the thing is that if the habitat is not protected, where the birds will go?
What is the message to the government?
Message to the government is that development should go hand in hand along with the ecological protection. Should not be only development for the sake of development. If you see Goa, how the roads are dug up, how everything is in a mess, I don't have to say anything. Every day on the newspapers you are seeing on the front page, it is not accessible to the disabled people. All the roads which are dug up is still not being done. So, and what is the kind of projects they are handling and taking?
So today's walk bird on Madai, how you feel?
I feel good. At least people are concerned to protect the ecosystem and the river, and especially Madhe, which is the lifeline of Goa. If it is diverted, the waters are diverted, God knows what will happen.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Koshi.
Okay, today bird watch is going on. How you feel?
Yeah, we have seen few birds, but the ground reality is very bad.
Even the colors that it can
And a lot of waste all around the forest.
Now here forest department should look
Yeah,
into,
forest department. Very sad, very disgusting.
because when we come with our cameras to take the beautiful pics of the bird and the surrounding,
Yeah,
all cameras now is going up.
yeah,
Ground reality is very worst.
yes.
So what message you are giving to this municipality and to the forest department?
Moreover, the message is to the central government. They are talking high and big about the cleaning aspect of the country. And here it is being ruled by the same government, and they are not doing anything about it. Very sad, very disgusting.
So cleanliness drive they have to take.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता ल्हान भुरगो बर्ड वॉच करपाक हांगा येयल्लो आहा. ज्या प्रमाणे ही गार्बेज आसा, बॉटल्स उडयल्ल्या काचेच्यो, ही खरेंच ही म्युनिसिपालिटीन हेजेर लक्ष दिवन हे क्लीन करपाची गरज आसा. गुड मॉर्निंग. व्हॉट्स युअर नेम?
Hi, my name is Chandrika.
Okay.
I'm from Bangalore and I've just moved to Goa.
Okay, so today it was a bird walk at Madai. So how you feel?
Oh, it was beautiful. We were able to identify so many birds, and we had this group from Birds of Goa, and there was an expert who was with us, and he identified a lot of birds here which we were able to see in this campal gardens, forest department gardens. It is such a treasure that there are so many birds here. and we are actually able to see them and identify them.
So as you was walking through, how the place is not clean. So what message you want to give for CCP and as well as for the forest?
Well, first of all, I would like to be very grateful that there is a garden here, which is a beautiful thing. But I wish that there was a little more attention paid to the cleanliness of it, maintenance, and all that. I understand that there is a lot of work in progress because the promenade is happening, but still, the paths need to be a little more. There are a lot of old people who come here for walks, so there are stones which are actually a hazard for old people. So if we can do that, and then there is the I don't know what exactly it is, the backwaters. There
This
is
is,
a
yeah,
nala kind
Nala,
of
na,
thing.
it's a
Yeah.
canal.
It's a canal. It is very bad. It is a very bad smell coming. So something should be done to treat it because a lot of mosquitoes from there come into the garden also, and it is a health hazard.
Yeah, as it is right in front of ESG Inox and this park, cleanliness has to be done. So you have seen plastic bottles,
Lots of
glass bottles. So this should be removed.
absolutely yes.
So what message you want to give to the government?
To the government, I would like to say that if there could be a daily cleaning, which they do on the road, the same people could come here and do that also, and that is one thing. And the citizens also should do their bit in keeping the premises clean.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.